Hey explorers! Today we'll clear up some confusion between adjectives and adverbs. So let's get started. She runs quick. Quick is an adjective, but here we need an adverb to describe the verb runs. So the correct sentence would be she runs quickly. Adding ly to quick makes it an adverb and corrects the sentence. Next example, he behaved bad in the meeting. Badly is the adverb that describes the verb behaved, whereas bad is an adjective and doesn't fit here. So, the correct sentence would be he behaved badly in the meeting. Another one for you, she looks beautifully today. Linking verbs like looks are followed by adjectives, not adverbs, because they describe the subject, not the action. So, the correct sentence would be she looks beautiful today. Understanding when to use adjectives and adverbs will make your English more precise. Keep practicing these rules and see you in my next episode.